everybody who is into grilling knows, I'm just going to come out and say it.
All right.
Of everything you can put on the grill, nothing in this world, animal, vegetable, mineral, is better than a pineapple. God almighty, I love grilled pineapple.
What?
Oh, my
I have to look back at our 10 years of doing interviews together and hold everything in question that you said. I can't believe that the best thing coming off of a grill on any side of anything is pineapple.
Have you ever just grilled a slice of pineapple?
Meathead. My mind is spinning. I think I'm ready
answer
to
the question.
explode. Of course I have. Never
Isn't it
once
fantastic?
have I
All
thought
right,
that this could be the best thing I've eaten off a grill. No way. Prime rib is better. Every steak is better. Chicken is better. Turkey is better. Pizza is better. Meathead, you are off your medicine. We might have to call an end to this whole goddamn thing now. Oh, my God. I'm a buzz.